Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Roland Micro Cube GX guitar amplifier and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it or do a reinitialization. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this amp is not working for any reason, if it seems to be having issues with the sound and stuff like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason is if you just want to clear everything, whatever presets and all that kind of stuff and configurations you have, you want to just get it back to the way it was. You know, you don't want to undo them manually, you just want to just wipe everything all at once and get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box. We can go ahead and do that. It's a really easy process to do. All we need to do is we're going to turn the amp off over here, and then once the amp is off, we're going to come in and find this memory button over here. And basically you're just going to press and hold the memory button. And while pressing and holding the memory button, then you're going to come in and boom, turn it back on, turn the amp back on. When you do that, all the indicators and all the lights will flash during the process. And then, so keep holding this while it's flashing. And then when it's done, everything will stop flashing. Then you can go ahead, release the memory button, and you're done. And you can set it up as a new device.